Hi, welcome to Louisville Baptist Temple. My name is Aubrey, and this is In the Know.
You're the overflow. You're the fountain of my heart. So let your mercy reign. Let your mercy reign on us.
This Tuesday is the ladies' meeting starting at 6:30. If you have any questions, please see Kathy Harmon. June 12th through the 15th is our annual garage sale as a fundraiser for this year's missions trip to Boston. If you would like to drop off any items for donation, please bring them to the church, or if you have any heavy items, please call Brian Jones and he can come pick them up. The proceeds from this year's garage sale will benefit our missions trip to Boston. Our spaghetti dinner and auction will be this Friday, the 7th at 6:30 in the Fellowship Hall. If you still need to buy a ticket or have any questions, please see Tirza Baker. This year we'll be having the Hall of Fame fundraiser August 1st through the 3rd and August 8th and 9th. There are many time slots available. Proceeds will go towards future missions trips. If you have any questions, please see Brian Jones or myself. Thank you for watching In the Know, and welcome to Louisville Baptist Temple.